Welcome back to Higher Height Living. If you've ever felt stuck or like you're not reaching your full potential, then today's video is for you. The key to achieving success in any area of life starts with one thing: your mindset. In this video, I'm going to share 3 key mindset shifts you need to make in order to unlock your full potential. Let's dive right in. The first mindset shift is simple, but powerful. Change your self-talk from "I can't" to "I can." So often, we limit ourselves with negative beliefs and think we're not capable of achieving our goals. But the truth is, success is all about your belief in yourself. Start replacing "I can't" with "I can," and watch how that tiny shift helps you overcome self-doubt. Believe that you have the ability to learn, grow, and succeed in anything you set your mind to. Mindset shift number 2 is about changing how you view failure. Instead of seeing failure as something to fear, see it as an opportunity to grow. Every successful person has faced failure at some point, but they didn't let it stop them. Instead, they used failure as a stepping stone to learn and improve. Embrace the idea that failure is part of the journey, and the more you learn from it, the closer you get to success. The final shift is from procrastination to immediate action. We all know the feeling of putting things off, but the longer we wait, the harder it becomes to get started. The secret to success is taking immediate action, even if it's just a small step. When you stop waiting for the perfect time and take action now, you create momentum that will keep you moving forward. Don't wait for the right moment, start today and make progress, even if it's small. Making these 3 mindset shifts, believing in your abilities, embracing failure as growth, and taking immediate action, will set you up for success. It's all about how you think and how you approach challenges. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality, and with the right mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. If you enjoyed this video and want more mindset and productivity tips, be sure to subscribe to Higher Height Living. Keep growing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.